This is Liane Noureldin. She's the senior corporate paralegal at Fortive Corporation.
Just the volume of entities that we have, it's a lot to keep up with. We have entities all over the world. And each country obviously has their own regulations, their own reporting system. Just making sure that we're in compliance everywhere that we do business is a challenge. It would be unmanageable if we didn't have a tool like Entities that makes it easy to capture all the information that everyone's plugging into day after day. Entities really is the one-stop shop for the organization for what they need to know. Generally, companies, even on the smaller side, don't have an entities management solution. So it's usually just one person managing it via Excel. They get really excited to know that they don't have to email someone or chase information down. It's there and it's accessible to everyone. People generally are impressed that we house the information for 300 plus legal entities in one system that's up to date. There really isn't anything that I need it to report that it can't do. It's always updating to stay relevant, to stay current, adding modules. So recently, our charted extension stopped working for some reason, and it was right at the time when Diligent implemented their own org charting within the system. So being able to pull the same information that Charted would have pulled was really a lifesaver. It will help me solve problems that I don't even know are coming because they always just seem to be one step ahead. If ever I feel like, oh, there's a new regulation coming, how is Entities gonna capture this? They've already done it, or it's already a conversation. So I know I don't have to worry. Everyone is always confident that what's in Entities is up to date, it's correct. If they need a specific report, they know that they can get it from Entities. The mission at Fortive is really to ensure customer success and customer satisfaction. And Diligent helps get that done by being able to just have all the information you need really at your hands. So it's just been an insanely valuable tool in helping us perform that mission. By partnering with Diligent Entities, you really do have a friend at work. It's simple to use, to train on, to get hands-on experience with. There's not a whole lot you can do to break it. It's really just been crucial in my success.